In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail not deleting emails. But first, let's start by checking the trash folder. This is an essential step because sometimes when you delete an email, it may not be permanently removed right away. Instead, it goes to the trash folder. To do this, open your Gmail account and look for the trash folder on the left side of your screen. Click on it to view the emails that have been deleted. Once you are in the trash, locate the email you want to delete. After finding it, click on the email to highlight it. Now look for the option to delete it permanently. This step is crucial because it ensures that the email is completely removed from your account. Once you delete it, you should see a confirmation that it has moved to trash. Next, let's check your internet connection. Sometimes connectivity issues can prevent emails from being deleted properly. To assess your internet speed, you can use a speed test website. Open a new tab in your browser and search for a speed test. Click on one of the available options, and once the page loads, start the test. This process will measure your upload and download speeds. A slow or unstable connection can interrupt your Gmail actions, which is why it's important to ensure everything is working smoothly. If your internet speed is lower than expected, consider restarting your router or checking with your internet service provider. After verifying your internet connection, it's time to clear your browser cache. A buildup of cache data can sometimes cause issues with web applications like Gmail. To clear your cache, open your browser settings. You can usually find this option in the top right corner of your browser. Once in the settings, look for a section labeled Privacy and Settings. Click on it, and then find the option to clear cache and cookies. This step is important because it removes outdated data that could interfere with Gmail's functionality. After confirming the action, your browser will refresh the stored data, which can help in resolving the issue. Now let's sign out of Gmail and then sign back in. This simple action can refresh your session and may resolve any temporary glitches. To sign out, look for your profile picture in the top right corner of the Gmail interface. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Select the option to sign out. Once you are logged out, wait a moment, then return to the Gmail login page. Enter your credentials to sign back in. This step is beneficial because it reestablishes your connection with Gmail servers. You should be able to delete emails without any problems now. Each of these steps is designed to tackle specific issues that may prevent Gmail from deleting emails as intended. By checking the trash folder, verifying your internet connection, clearing your browser cache, and signing out and back in, you are taking comprehensive steps to troubleshoot the problem. If you follow these instructions carefully, you should see improvements in how Gmail handles email deletions. Remember, these simple actions can save you a lot of time and frustration later on. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you fix your Gmail issues.